Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a W King D8 powerful Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset for a couple of different reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is frozen or not responding, or if it's not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it won't pair with your device, any issues like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The other reason is if you just want it to forget all of its previously paired devices so that you can set it up as a new device on your phone or whatever without it connecting to the wrong device, this will have it clear everything out so you can start anew. So it's real easy to do. If you want to do this, all you need to do is come behind and you'll have to remove this protective cover, and you'll see here you have a USB and then a USB-C charge port here, and right in the middle you have like a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Now actually at the bottom of that jack is a reset button. So you'll take a paper clip, just be careful because you don't want to damage the jack. So take a paper clip or a pin and push it down in there and hold it for a couple of seconds, and that will force the speaker to hard reset to factory default settings.